Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to create your AI clone for videos.
Hey guys, this is an official tutorial of Heygen. I'm going to teach you how to make your own AI avatar, and this is available on Technic Force. If you like this video, subscribe to Technic Force right now.
This is my AI avatar that looks like me, talks like me, and gestures like me. And I made this in only 10 minutes using this tool called Heygen. And I'm going to teach you how to do the same as well. This completely automates your content workflow. You no longer have to shoot. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the real me and I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own AI avatar. So first of all, I'm going to app.heygen.com and I'm going to create an account. Now, I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Now, once I'm signed in, I can see a bunch of options like instant avatar, photo avatar, template, AI script, etc. You can do a bunch of things with this tool. But in this video, I'm only going to teach you how to create your own AI avatar that can do videos for you. The whole point of this is to automate your videos in some way, or you not having to record a message 1,000 times and just having to type in a script or just do a simple voiceover. So the first thing you need to do is to click on Instant Avatar. And once you do that, you can actually see this option called Free Instant Avatar. Now, whenever you sign up for Heygen, you get one free instant avatar and you get one free credit out of which you can basically make a 60-second video. After that free version, you have to basically buy credits. I'll quickly walk you over through the pricing plan, but let's first create our avatar and then get into it. So I'm going to click on Free Instant Avatar and this video is going to play.
Hey guys, I'm Joshua, co-founder and CEO.
By the way, this is not the actual CEO. This is the Heygen version of the CEO. Pretty cool, right? Click Let's Get Started, text instructions or video instructions. I prefer text because this is like an instruction manual. So I'm just going to click on that. Let's quickly go through the rules and regulations or the do's and do nots. So the way this tool works is that it takes a 2 to 5 minute video footage of yourself and then it kind of processes it. It understands your gestures, it understands your voice, it kind of stabilizes your backgrounds. It understands your hand movements, your facial expressions. It understands all of that. That's what the model does. And then it tries to create an AI replica of you so that whenever you enter a script or you do a voiceover, it can actually emulate you in some way or the other. So there are some rules to ensure that you get the best quality output. I'll just walk you through that. Use a high resolution camera so the quality has to be top notch. 1080p will actually do the job. Record in a well-lit, quiet environment. Try to minimize background noise as much as possible and have good lighting. Look directly into the camera, talk directly into the camera, and try to maintain eye contact. Pause between each sentence with your mouth closed. It will only be able to correctly humanize you in some way if you were actually to close your mouth when you pause. So I know this rule can be a little tricky, but just try to keep this in mind. Use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. Things to avoid. Stitches or cuts of your footage. Yes, it's very important. I did this mistake the first time I was trying to create my avatar. Don't have a lot of cuts. The best input that you can actually give is a video that is continuously 2 minutes or 5 minutes or anywhere between that long. No cuts at all. Talking without pauses, like I said earlier, stay in one position, loud background noises, shadows and overexposure on your face. Get your lighting direct basically. Diverting your gaze or looking around. Not too much head movement. Hand gestures above the chest. Don't do that. Use of pointing gestures. So you're not supposed to do this, this, and this. I've seen a lot of these text-to-video, text-to-image tools screw up hands a lot. It can't really get the details of the hands or the fingers correct, which is why it's asking you to do this. Alright, let's move on to the next step. So you can either upload an existing footage or you can actually record it with your webcam. Now, obviously, like I mentioned, you need high-quality footage, and most webcams usually suck. So I wouldn't recommend the webcam unless you're just trying to fiddle around with this tool and see what it's like. I already have a footage of myself. I'm going to go here and I'm going to upload that file. So this is the only video I have. So I'm just going to put it in here and they ask you a bunch of questions. Your face is visible at all times. Yes. You're looking directly into the camera. Yes. There are pauses between sentences. Absolutely. The environment is well lit and quiet. Yes. My footage looks good. Alright, let's go. Now, in the age of AI and deepfakes, it is very common for someone to actually use someone else's face. There was this whole Rashmi Mandana thing that happened on Twitter when somebody did a deepfake video and Amitabh Bachchan retweeted it saying that they can take legal action. In order to prevent this, you're required to provide a legal consent that you are consenting Heygen in order to create an avatar of yourself so that you can actually go ahead to record the videos. So I'm just going to quickly record my consent. It basically has a script. I just have to read the script that's going to come on the screen. Hereby declare that I authorize Heygen to use the footage of me to build a Heygen avatar and use it in my Heygen account. Alright, so it has my consent. So the tool actually validates the consent while we're actually uploading it. So that's going to take about 20 seconds. Now, while our video is getting ready, it's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to quickly take you through the pricing. If I go into the monthly prices, in the free tier, you can basically get 1 free credit, which is a 60-second video and also 1 instant avatar. But there are different scale as you go plans over here. So you can just decrease it or increase it. For example, I get the lowest plan. I get 15 credits a month, which means I can make 15 1-minute videos, which is more than enough for me. And the video can actually be 5 minutes long. You can also get free instant avatars, which means you can either film yourself wearing 3 different outfits, or you can film 3 different creators as well, or 3 different backgrounds, whatever that works for you. And you get access to a bunch of other premium features that I'm not going to talk about in this video. So this is a pretty decent plan. And if you want more, you can basically just click on the slider. And basically, the only thing that changes is the number of credits. Everything else is the same. Now, let's see if our video is ready. Alright, let's see our model. Congrats, your AI avatar is ready. Hey lovely Maris Calapez, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. Wow, it actually caught all of my gestures, right? My voice is right, but my accent is really weird. So what I essentially would recommend is that if you don't have like an American or a British or like a Western accent, what you should do is just record a voiceover and turn that into a video rather than write a script and turn that into a video. You can write a script, but you will sound fake. So it's better to just record it in your normal voice so that you don't have to shoot in front of a camera all the time and set up a studio and things like that. You basically can just record a voiceover and convert that into a video. So I'm going to show you what that's actually look like. Let's hit on create video. So here you see the Heygen editor. This is the model that has been selected, and here I can basically write whatever script I want. Now you guys actually saw how bad the audio quality in this script was. So let's actually try going for an audio script. You can upload a local audio file. You can probably record it on your audio software or on your iPhone or something, or you can directly just record it from here. I'm just going to directly record it from here. So essentially it's going to cost me 0.5 credits. Anything below 30 seconds is 0.5 credits. Anything between 30 seconds and 60 seconds is 1 credit. That's the math. Right now, what I've created here is a pretty basic avatar, which does a pretty decent job of emulating your gestures, etc. But one important thing that I want to cover over here is fine-tuning. If you're really serious about putting out videos with Heygen, what I would recommend is to fine-tune your models. It understands the small nuances. It is a much better output than the normal version. And it definitely costs a little more in order to generate a fine-tuned model. But if you're serious about this, it's actually worth it. Now, in order to fine-tune it, you can just click the video and you can see this button called Fine Tune. Let's click on Fine Tune, and like I said, you have to pay a little bit extra in order to fine tune your model. Now, you can only choose to fine-tune your video, or you can choose to fine-tune your video plus your audio. But if you don't want to actually fine-tune your voice, you can just do that, which means it's basically going to cost you $40 in order to fine-tune your actual video. Fine-tuning, what it basically does in your video, basically gets a higher resolution, which means you can get your videos in 4K. You also get a better lip syncing in the fine-tune model, and it gets all the finer details of your gesture. The thing about fine-tuning is that it actually takes 8 to 12 hours, which means there is actual training from your 2 to 5 minute footage video that is being done. One suggestion is if you want to fine-tune your video model, I would suggest to put it in a 5-minute clip instead of just a 2-minute clip because that's bigger data. You can leave it overnight. The next morning, your fine-tuned model will be ready. And this is how you create your own personalized AI avatar. You no longer have to shoot. I've actually used my AI avatar in my Instagram Reels, and it actually works. If people have seen you for long enough, they'll understand that it's not you. But in about a few months, this is only going to get better and better. Thank you for watching, and if you want more AI stuff, subscribe to Technic Force.
Let me introduce you to brand Jeet. Rank your videos number 1 with AI technology. Get free organic YouTube traffic with #1 rankings that stick forever. Grab the YouTube success secret of multiple top channels and 20,000 plus happy users. Get perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. Tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy. Get the exact optimizations that you need to rank #1. Keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags. Optimize any video in minutes, not hours. Upload your videos direct from TubeRank Jeet. TubeRank Jeet. Stop being in the background. Get your #1 rankings and traffic with TubeRank Jeet. Even before you optimize, it tells you what is the potential to rank for any keyword. Analyzes existing videos ranking for your niche or keyword and finds out what you need to beat them. Proven algorithm gives you the ranking recipe, telling you exactly what you need to do to rank. Everything right at your fingertips to make optimization a 2-minute process. Save your time. Finds you 3 levels of keywords: long tail for easy ranking, medium value for traffic with minimal effort, and high value for top quality traffic. Viewer sentiment analysis tells you what exactly people feel about your niche, or keyword telling you where the market is headed. Grab stats and tags from any video you want. Appear on its related videos bar. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get TubeRank Jeet now. Just go to tuberankjeet.com. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.